making a volcano. So, comment down below if you think it will come out. First, we're making the volcano. Then we have some food. And then, thank you for watching my video in the frozen lake. Yeah, we found some footprints. That was so creepy. It's an elf. You take it up.
Butang rani. Make it daghan.
And then you put it on.
Yes,
And
sir.
then you take it off. Right? And then you take it off.
Yes, sir. Make more.
Move out the way. Move out the way. This snow. Look, this snow. Move down. This snow. Another bacon. That's why we get snow from over here.
Make it higher. Napay. Snow at be oh. Make raisin. Go that side. There's more.
Yo. Mama, get the ingredients. Mama, get the ingredients.
Don't hold this.
Okay, get the ingredients. See this? See this? First, we gonna put orange, I put red.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. You babies. What you mean? Nothing. I said nothing.
Okay, what can you say about your volcano?
We already put the baking soda. Now we're gonna get the food coloring. Let's taste this.
You have
Where's red? Orange. My brother has red. That thing is on. My mom's holding it.
no.
My mom's an expert at this. Now put it. Mama. Is that water?
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
1,
2, 3. Whoa! Oh my God, that's a cooler. Can I put it? Can I
One
put
more.
some? Oh, oh my God. This is crazy. Put the snow in. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.